Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix your Instagram application problems. To start, open your App Store in your mobile device. Once on the App Store, use the search bar this time. And then in the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, click on the update button this time. Once done updating your Instagram, close it. Now, head on over to your settings application in your mobile device. Then, pull up. And then in here, you're going to look for General. Tap on General this time and then head on over to iPhone Storage. Over at iPhone Storage, you can scroll down or use the search bar on the upper right to look for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, tap on it and then click on the Offload app. Now open your Instagram application. Then, go to your stories. And then in here, you can see the activity as well. Swipe to the right, and then you can now create a new post. Then in here, click on Story. Once you go to your story, you will now have the option to add music and all other stickers available over at Instagram. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.